In this video, we are going to learn how to find the solution of linear system by graphing. And as you see, we have here an example, y equal to x plus 1 and y equal negative x plus 1. As you see, this system includes two different linear equations. So to do this, first I need to graph each of the following lines individually, in which as step 1, first I'll graph y equal to x plus 1. And as usual, to graph a line, I need two different points. For example, for this purpose, I'll choose like maybe x equals 0 and x equal 1. If x equals 0, I'll get 2 multiplied by 0 plus 1, so for y, and this will give 1. For x equal 1, I'll get y equal 2 times 1 plus 1, and I'll get 3. And so now I know that I have these 2 points. The first point is 0, 1, and the second point is 1, 3. Now we can go to the coordinate plane to plot these points. So the first point is 0, 1, so it's somewhere here. And the second point is 1, 3. So you have to go 1 to the right and 3 upward. Then all what you need to do is to join these 2 points with a straight line. Now after I finish from graphing the first line, I need to do the same thing but for the second line. And similarly, to graph y equal negative x plus 1, I need to choose any 2 points. For example, let's say x equal 1 and let's say x equal 2. If x equal 1, I'll get like y equal negative 1 plus 1 and I'll get 0. So the first point is 1 and 0. For x equal 2, I'll get y equal negative 2 plus 1, and so I'll get like negative 1. And now I have another point, 2 and negative 1. And so now I plot these points like 1, 0, so 1 to the right and 0 on the y-axis, 2 to the right and negative 1 on the y-axis. After that, I join these 2 points and I'll have my line. And so after joining these 2 points with a straight line, it's clear that these 2 lines intersect, and they intersect at the point 0, 1, which means that 0, 1 is the solution. Now finally, of course, you can go and check whether this your answer is correct or not by replacing this point in both lines. It should satisfy both lines. Yeah, for example, if I start with the first equation, so I know, like for example, if x equals 0, y should be equal 1 based on the graphical solution. So for example, let me try. Like in the first equation, I know like y equal 2x plus 1. So replace, for example, y by 1 and x by 0, get 1 equal 2 times 0 plus 1, 1 equal 1, so this is correct. Same thing for the second equation. I know like y equal negative x plus 1, replace y by 1, x by 0, so 1 equal negative 0 plus 1, 1 equal 1, so this one correct, which means that 0, 1 is the correct answer.